Hello, I'm going to show you how to use the integrated RefWorks citation management tool in Microsoft Word Online to automate your citations in your research papers and to save you so much time. Once you've created your RefWorks account, have research saved, and are ready to start writing, in the Earning menu, select Microsoft Word. In the navigation tools, you'll see RCM for RefWorks Citation Manager. Sign in to sync and access your saved research from RefWorks. As you're writing, RefWorks will create in-text citations for any research you're referring to, quoting, or paraphrasing when you click Cite This. And if you click on the menu and toggle Bibliography to On, RefWorks will automatically add anything you cited above into your reference page. As you add more in-text citations, they will automatically be added to your reference page. As always, you want to proofread and double-check your citations, as citation managers do make mistakes. I'm using APA style, which for in-text citations uses the author's last name of publication date and alphabetical order for the references. But you can switch the citation style if you need something other than APA. If you use another version of Word or even Google Docs, add-on tools are available to download under Tools in RefWorks. If you need any additional help with the tools in RefWorks, check out our research guide or meet with a librarian to show you how.